guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first, you would have seen Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. Then we had our very special guest this week, Lance Travis from Pouring Together with Lance Travis. Thank you for joining us. He's an amazing artist. If you missed him, there'll be a link in the description. Hit that, you get back to go and see him. Awesome artist. After me, we'll have Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art, and last but not least, Tony and Kat from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So, stay on board and enjoy the ride. What I'm going to do today is just throw on some tunes, have a bit of fun, and then at the end, I'll show you how I did this one. Okie dokie. Here goes.
I'm moving through the shadows. falls, the darkness begins, creeping through the shadows within. Got nowhere to run or hide. It's in my blood, it's in my blood. I keep on fighting, I keep on running, I keep on searching for the light, for the light. Moving through the past and the lies, whispers in the smoke from the fire. Got nowhere to turn this time. It's all around, it's all around. I keep on fighting, I keep on running, I keep on searching for the light, for the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. Oh, I keep on fighting, I keep on running, I keep on searching for the light, for the light. We've been hiding in the shadows, we've been biding our time. We've been running from the devil, just trying to make it out alive. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war, feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war, this means war. Feel it rising up within us, getting stronger now. No one left to avenge us, but we will never back down. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war, feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war, this means war. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Like stars from the sky. Oh, can you hear us calling? battle cry. This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. This means war. This means war. Can you history calling you, calling me, written in stone upon tablets that fade away? We will remain. Oh, look what we done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all, I want it all. So long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying King, King, King. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Glory to come. Oh, look what we've done, the wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but it won't go down. I want it all, I want it all. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the. I know you've heard all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live the king, long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king, this is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying king, king, king. Long live the
Alright guys, I'll do a quick flyover of that one. I love the effects on that one. That is so cool. Super trippy. Love it. That's brilliant. Love it. Alright, so up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So if you click on the name in the title of this video, it'll take you to her YouTube channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there. It'll take you to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, I'll put a play all list in there. Just click on that and it plays everybody on the Fluid Art Express today. Once again, thank you, Lance, for being our very special guest this week. You are awesome. And if you've liked this, hit like, share, and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. That way you get to see all my videos as I release them. Alright guys, have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.